In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GetResponse landing page. We'll start right from your GetResponse dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the very top of the screen for the main navigation bar. There, you'll see an option called Tools. Click on that, and a large mega menu will open. From this menu, choose Landing Pages. This will take you to the Landing Pages section. On the top right of this page, click Create Landing Page. The screen will reload and you'll be asked how you want to build your page, either with a ready-made template or using the AI-powered builder. Both options can work well, but for this walkthrough, we'll choose a ready-made template since it's quick and beginner-friendly. Next, you'll see a gallery of pre-designed templates along with the option to start from a blank layout. Take a moment to scroll through and look for a design that matches your goal, whether it's collecting leads, promoting a webinar, or showcasing an offer. When you find a template you like, hover over it and click Use Template. This will open the template in the landing page editor. Inside the editor, you can now customize your landing page. To change the overall look and feel, such as fonts, colors, and background settings, click the pencil and brush icon. This controls the global design, helping you keep everything consistent. To add new elements, like text blocks, images, buttons, or forms, click the plus icon on the right sidebar and choose the element you want to insert. If you want to edit something that's already on the page, simply click directly on that element in the preview. When you do, its editing options will appear on the right side, where you can adjust the content, style, and layout. To move something, hover over it until you see the four-headed arrow icon, then drag and drop it to your preferred location. If there's anything you don't need, click the trash icon to delete it and keep your page clean and focused. When you're happy with the design and content, click Continue in the top right corner. Here, you can give your landing page a clear, descriptive name, adjust your subscription settings, upload a favicon, and configure your cookie consent banner. You can also set up analytics and integrations and update your business information so everything stays professional and compliant. Once you've reviewed these details, click Continue at the bottom right. Finally, you'll see the free GetResponse domain assigned to your landing page. All you need to do now is click Publish. Your landing page is live and ready to share.